Hello guys, so this is my second day of learning more and sharing more resolution for this coming year. By the way, Happy New Year everyone, my LinkedIn family. And this is my first time recording, so if there is any mistake, please pardon me. So in this video, we are going to learn about CHARINDEX. So this is a built-in function which helps you get the position of your substring. Okay, so let me just get started over here with the query. So I'll simply write a basic query where we'll be selecting a particular you know uh, phrase where we want to look for that particular position of the substring. Okay, so let me start with my name only. So I'll ask for R, and then I'll say that tell me where does this R is position in this particular word. So for that we are going to use this CHARINDEX. So I'll put into this and I'll say get the char position, right? CHARINDEX of it R. Okay, I'll give an alias of like position of R. Let me run this. So if I run this, so this gives me 1, right? Because it's starting from here. So R is the occurrence of R is at the first position, so we have R. If I want to look for H, okay, let me just replace this as H and I run this, so you get 4. So 1 2 3 4, it is at position 4. So this is how you get the position. Let me just give you one more info over here, that if it's a small letter, doesn't matter, it's case insensitive, so it will still give you position as 4 only. So that's another thing for CHARINDEX. So normally what I have seen in other videos or sharing sessions, that they give you only these two uh, parameters for CHARINDEX, but there is one more parameter that this particular built-in function accepts. So that is the basically it tells the function that you need to start looking for that particular substring after that particular position. So if I say 1, so 1 is basically this position, right? R's position. So if I want to run this, this will still give me 4, because we have told the function to look for H in this particular word after like from position, not after, from position 1. So it's fine, like it says okay, H is at 4th position. Okay, now if I say the same thing, so this is as 4th, right? So I'll say 5th. Look from 5th. Okay, 1 2 3 4 from 5th. Okay, so if I ask again, okay, find me the position of H. So when I run this, this will give me 0, because after 5th position, right from here, we do not have um, any occurrence of H. Okay, so if I mention over here now, and if I run this again, so this was 4, 5th, 6th, 7th. So that's how you get the 7th position. Hope this is clear. Thank you so much, and once again, Happy New Year, LinkedIn family.